Hey everyone! Today we have some exciting news from the world of science and space. New images taken by the Large Binocular Telescope on Mount Graham in Arizona have revealed Jupiter's volcano-studded moon, Io, in the highest resolution ever achieved from Earth. These images were made possible by a new high-contrast optical imaging instrument, SHARK-VIS, and the telescope's adaptive optics system, which compensates for the blurring caused by atmospheric turbulence. Set to be published in the Geophysical Research Letters journal, these images reveal surface features as small as 50 miles across. This resolution, which until now could only be achieved by spacecraft sent to Jupiter, is like taking a picture of a dime from 100 miles away, according to the research team. Thanks to SHARK-VIS, researchers identified a major resurfacing event around Pele, one of Io's most prominent volcanoes. Conrad, the study's lead author, noted that Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with eruptions dwarfing those on Earth. Conrad said, Io presents a unique opportunity to learn about the powerful eruptions that shaped the surfaces of Earth and the Moon in their distant past. The Large Binocular Telescope is part of the Mount Graham International Observatory, a division of the University of Arizona's Steward Observatory. Studies like this help researchers understand why some worlds in the solar system are volcanic, while others are not. Conrad added that they may also provide insights into volcanic worlds in exoplanet systems around nearby stars. Slightly larger than Earth's moon, Io is the innermost of Jupiter's Galilean moons. Locked in a gravitational tug-of-war with Jupiter, Europa, and Ganymede, Io is constantly squeezed, generating frictional heat in its interior, which is believed to drive its extensive volcanic activity. Scientists hope that by monitoring eruptions on Io's surface, they can gain insights into the heat-driven movement of material beneath the moon's surface, its internal structure, and the tidal heating mechanism responsible for Io's intense volcanism. Io's volcanic activity was first discovered in 1979, when Linda Morabito, an engineer on NASA's Voyager mission, spotted an eruption plume in images taken by the spacecraft during its famous grand tour of the outer planets. Since then, countless observations have documented Io's restless nature from both space and Earth-based telescopes. Ashley Davies, a principal scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and co-author of the study, said the new image taken by SHARK-VIS is so detailed that the team identified a major resurfacing event around Pele, caused by eruption deposits from Patera, a neighboring volcano. A similar eruption sequence was observed by NASA's Galileo spacecraft, which explored the Jupiter system between 1995 and 2003. Davies explained, "We interpret the changes as dark lava deposits and white sulfur dioxide deposits from an eruption at Patera, partially covering Pele's red sulfur-rich plume deposit. Before SHARK-VIS, such resurfacing events were impossible to observe from Earth. While infrared telescope images can detect hotspots from ongoing eruptions, they lack the sharpness to reveal surface details and accurately identify eruption locations." Co-author Imke de Potter, a professor emerita of astronomy at the University of California, Berkeley, emphasized the importance of visible light observations for identifying eruption sites and surface changes not detectable in infrared. SHARK-VIS was built by the Italian National Institute for Astrophysics at the Rome Astronomical Observatory and managed by a team led by principal investigator Fernando Pedicini with project manager Roberto Piazzesi. In 2023, it was installed alongside its complementary near-infrared instrument SHARK-NIR at the LBT to fully utilize the telescope's outstanding adaptive optics system. The instrument houses a fast, ultra-low noise camera that captures slow-motion footage, freezing optical distortions caused by atmospheric turbulence and post-processing data to unprecedented sharpness. Gianluca Licauzi, data processing manager for SHARK-VIS at the Italian National Institute for Astrophysics, explained, "We process our data to remove any trace of the sensor's electronic footprint, then select the best frames and combine them using a software package called Kraken, developed by our colleagues from Georgia State University. Kraken allows us to remove atmospheric effects, revealing Io in incredible sharpness." Simone Antoniucci, the SHARK-VIS instrument scientist, anticipates new observations of various solar system objects. "The keen vision of SHARK-VIS is perfect for observing the surfaces of many solar system bodies, not just the moons of giant planets, but also asteroids," Antoniucci said. "We have already observed some, and are currently analyzing the data with plans to observe more." What do you guys think about these exciting developments? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.